So these are my plants. They're sort of growing. Some of them are doing better than others. But the custard apples have turned, so they're not doing very well. But if they survive and grow up a little bit more, then we can plant them, I guess, in the soil and have them grow into a tree. I think these two pots had natives, just native flowers, just your ambiguous natives that have regrown whatever these are. I don't know what they are, but they're something native. They were from a native mix. A couple of these pots had, what did I plant on them? I don't remember. I don't remember what I planted, whether it was, I know it was something aside from the forget-me-nots, but I don't know. Either way, these two pots aren't producing anything. This is some sort of ponytail palm. So I've got two of them. They're doing okay. They're not doing the best, but they're only young. So in another 6 months, they might be double the size. I don't know. There's lots of clove in this one, but I sort of thought some of these little mini leaves in there, in the middle there, they might be flowers. This is another native plant that's growing up. It's just something that probably can be planted. This is one of the newest additions. So I got Chinese forget-me-nots. They're got the brightest of bright, really blue flowers. And so I'm hoping to get there's 2 growing right now, or 3. I planted probably around 6, and they're growing well. This is new. It's coming up where one of these things are, so I would assume naturally that it might be a daisy of some kind, but I'm not sure. Back behind this is the other custard apple tree. It's not doing so well, but it's also winter. This might be native tomatoes. If they are, I think they'll come out as black, but they could be anything. But I'm thinking that's probably what they are, because I did plant in this pot some native tomato seeds aside from other seeds, and so I'm thinking that's might be what they are. This is my unique plant that I got from Bunnings a few years ago. It hasn't flowered any time between when I bought it to now, so this is the first year after I bought it that it flowered. I think there's like 2 plants in here, at least 2 plants now, and so it has, dissected itself. But and the flower was pretty, but it's not a really great flower. I mean, I'm sure it can produce a better flowering period than one flower that only had a couple of flowers pop out. So. But I think it needs to be planted, but I don't live anywhere, so I'm not going to plant it, no. This is the other ponytail palm. This had some sort of seeds in it, but hasn't come up. This had some sort of seeds that haven't come up. I think I planted some rose seeds in these little ones. So this is growing something. I'm hoping this might be some grape, because I did plant grape in this pot, which is why I'm sort of assuming that this weird leafed could be a little baby grape plant. But this looks new, and I'm hoping that this might be a mini rose plant, because I did plant a few mini rose seeds and none of them came up. So I'm hoping that might be a mini rose, but I have no idea. I just have to wait and see.